Wakazi wa eneo bunge la Kisumu Mashariki, eneo la Kajulu, katika kijiji cha Alang' wanaishi kwa hofu baada ya visa vya wizi vya mara kwa mara kutekelezwa na watu wasiojulikana, walengwa wakuu wakiwa wanunuzi wa mashamba na wapangaji katika eneo hilo.
It was a very terrifying moment. Pointing a gun at a child. The child is traumatized and cannot even I need to go to a counselor, child counselor, for the child to at least be well. The child wanted to walk with me everywhere.
We are no longer safe in our houses, where we are supposed to have peace.
Kisa cha hivi punde kimeziacha familia kadhaa zikikadiria hasara baada ya kuibiwa na kutishwa kwa kupigwa risasi, huku wakilaumu vyombo vya usalama kwa kujikokota kushughulikia swala hilo, familia hizo zikiwa zimejawa na kiwewe, hawajui pa kukimbilia.
In my house, they stole a 50-inch TV worth around 42,000, a phone of around 20,000, and a cash around 13,000 there. On the neighbor side, they stole that they vandalized TV. When they realized that they cannot remove it from the wall, they stole phones of the wife and the man.
The local administration's response to this kind of attacks is so pathetic. It is sad that the area chief came here at midnight when people were being attacked. He watched and left. We never saw him in the morning.
Aidha, wamesema ubovu wa barabara katika eneo hilo na ukosefu wa magari ya maafisa wa polisi kwenye vituo vyao ya kupiga doria nyakati za usiku umechangia wao kuhangaishwa.
The poor state of roads around also hinder the response. Even road to the Obwolo police station is impassable. Road to Gita, which is the headquarter here, is impassable. There are no vehicles.
Do we get helped? The police stations around here, including the posts, they don't have any patrol vehicle.
You'll find that from this place here to Gita is a very distant place. And they expect us to go and report there. So if those policemen in Gita, they cannot reach here, how do you expect us as residents to reach there? Security is a basic need, even from the government knows that. Us as taxpayers and everything, we need good security. And then this police post here in Obwolo, we need something that looks like a police station. At least when you go to report, you feel confident that you are taking there a case, and a serious case. Because for us, we are feeling that these cases that we report there, they take them as jokes.
Uvamizi huu umepelekea kuuawa kwa babu moja katika jiji hicho baada ya kupigwa na wezi hao. Genge hilo likiwa limejihami kwa vifaa butu pamoja na bastola, huku akiwa amevalia sare za polisi.
Been attacks around here. Like the last one before us, it was Shakina, of which they killed our security, Shakina Gardens.
That I was able to see these people, though they were masked. Very young, energetic men. With machetes, with rungus, with pangas. I don't know what they could have done to me if they could have managed to access my house. These uniforms that these people are purport to be putting on, where do they get these uniforms from? That is our question. And what is the security agency doing?
Hali hii ikiwalazimu baadhi ya wakazi kuhama na kutafuta makao mengine yaliyo salama, wakitaka idara ya usalama ikiongozwa na waziri wa usalama Kipchumba Murkomen na mbunge wa eneo hilo Shakil Shabir kuingilia kati swala hilo.
Now we are even paying some police officers to come and patrol individually. They come to patrol in your area and they leave. How does that leave those who cannot manage to pay police officers to patrol their areas?
Personally, I'm forced to pay somebody from a different area to come and patrol here, especially at around 2, 3. So you'll find that when they come, because I pay them, they will stay around my place. What about these other people who don't have the money to pay?
Leonard Murunga, TV Jabali, Kisumu.